So let's jump to the website where we can learn a little bit more about it. So I'm just going to do a search for Grunt, gruntjs.com, the JavaScript task runner. I'm going to click on the Getting Started link. So as you can tell from this single command here for installing the Grunt command line interface or CLI interface, Grunt is a node package. Now we've dealt with these kinds of packages before with Bower. It's been a while since we've touched Bower, but Bower is the front-end package manager that we've been using throughout this series. Grunt includes the base Grunt component, but it also can be extended with plugins, and these plugins are also managed through NPM, or Node Package Manager. So much of the structure that you see for dealing with Grunt plugins and Grunt itself, minus the command line interface, is the same thing that you would use with any other tool that was using NPM as a package manager. So just know that there's some carryover between this and other tools as well. So let's start by installing the command line interface. Now Grunt itself is a package that will be downloaded and used for your individual project, which will allow you to use different versions of Grunt for different projects. The command line utility simply allows us to use the Grunt command regardless of where we are in the file system. So let's start by installing this. So I'm going to go to our terminal screen, and we have two things running right now. We have Compass Watch running, as well as our server. So we'll create a new window, and I'm going to navigate to the directory of our project with CD and then space, and then I'll navigate here, and I'm going to drag this folder over to the terminal screen. You can type out the exact location as well, and then we're going to install the command line tool here. So I'll go back to the browser, and I'll copy the npm install-g grunt-cli. I'll paste it in here, and I'll hit enter. Now you might get a couple of warnings depending on other things that are on your system, but as long as there are no errors, you should be okay. And when it's all complete, you should be able to type grunt on the command line and see a little bit of output to confirm that it's actually working. Now I'm going to maximize this